Hey friends, if you encounter USB error, there is no media in the specified device, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update all drivers. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced options in the right pane, select optional updates and install all the drivers. Next one is to run the error checking tool. Okay, so go to this PC. Right click on the specified drive which is problematic. Select show more options. Click on properties. Click on tools. Click on check corresponding to the error checking tool and scan drive. Last solution is a check disk scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.